Met her in the club, all the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love.
Perfect. Okay, let me start again because the camera wasn't on. Okay, so I'm whispering because it's currently 7:10 in the morning. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing this for y'all. Let's get right into the video. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. So be right back, cause you know what? Be right back.
6.5 hours later.
And we're back. Oh, I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. They're thick, I know, not like me, but we're gonna be doing this look. Pretty? Yep, gotta get it good. Yep, we're gonna be doing that. Well, I'm gonna try to recreate it, you know? Okay, first we're gonna be going in with the chocolate hill palette. And we're gonna go with this brush. And we're gonna be going in with... What the hell? Cream Cycle. Cream Cycle. This color. Right there. Gotta get it good. Okay. But yes, that's our... Oh, I can't with these words. You know what? Our base. Ooh. Don't even know where to start. But here we go. I just noticed my eyebrows are different. On to the next side. Let's get there. This is something. We're gonna be grabbing this brush to blend it all. Oh, this is my new brush that I bought. It's from YALL, you know. But it also, so it is special. It's a fluffy eye blender brush. And we blend. We're gonna do one more because this one looks darker. Actually, we just tap on it all. And then we blend this one. Yo, I look so ugly. I'm so sorry. But my hair looks cute. Okay, now we're grabbing the BH Cosmetic palette. If I'm talking too low, I'm so sorry. But everybody's sleepy. And we don't want to wake them up, you know? Okay, same brush. Pretty. But we're gonna be going in. I'm gonna just show y'all. This orange. Bright orange. Oh, there's two orange. We're going with the bright one first. They better be pigmented because I didn't buy this for no reason, you know. Okay, same spot. Adding that in our crease. Okay. Oh, this they are. Just letting you know, I'm gonna be using two brushes because y'all girl is broke. I mean, if y'all want to send me something, that'll be nice. This is taking forever. So all we're gonna do is blend these two, you know, cause we're already in sweatpants and we're still on ice. Like, you know, gotta get it good. Okay, be back. Yay! After we're done with that, we're gonna be going in with the darker one, you know, this color. Right there. Ooh. And we're gonna be applying that on our corners, like, or yeah, on our corners for this one. So you just tap it and you just blend it together. We're gonna be going in with this in my brush. Okay, we're gonna be going in with Runway by Tarte. Once again, this color. You just tap it in because this is really pigmented. We're gonna be adding that on our corner. Tapping it. I don't know how we're doing this, but we're doing this. You know what? No. We're doing red. Yes. Because it's too ugly. Red. Here we go. You just tap on it like 3 times. 3 times. You just build the color. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be adding this one. And the red. So you just build it on the corner. You tap, tap, tap. Grab, grab, grab. Tap, tap, tap. Go to the other one. Open it. Tap, tap, tap. Put it on. Build it, build it, build it.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Now that you see that it's all red. Let me do that. Yes, indeed. What the hell? Why are they dirty? We just blended. Okay, we're gonna go because this brush is really good to blend. We're just blending everything together. And we're blending it like out, you know, so we can have like, I mean, I didn't do that, but you could do that. It's blended. Now we're gonna be going in. Where you at? With our loose pigmented facular. Oh wait, y'all can see my face. Yeah, it's this one. Should we bake it? I think we should bake it. Where's it at? Oh, I'm gonna use going. I can't even understand what I'm saying. I'm gonna be going in with the lucid powder. Fit me on shade 2. Okay, yeah. I think we're gonna be going in with the same brush. Oh yeah. This makeup better go to 1,000,000 likes and subscribe. Got it? Get it? Good. Oh no. Yo, this is good, this is good. I didn't know it was this good. You know what should I do? Sephora, Morphe, Tarte, everybody, send me makeup. Please, I need it. Makeup is life. As y'all can see, y'all girl good, yo girl good, yo. After you done that, we're gonna be going in with Runway once again to blend it together. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Okay, after you're all sparkly, we're gonna be, oh, wait, how do they do it? Okay, we're gonna be going in with this small brush, and we're gonna be going in with with this color first on our bottom. Okay, I'm gonna do my face real quick, like shebang, and I'll probably be right back while I bake it. Okay. Oh yeah, but this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys like it. And I did a pretty good job, and it was worth it because I woke up at 7 in the morning for you guys. Did I tell you? No, but I'm telling y'all now. But yeah, this is the final look. Can y'all see? Can y'all tell? You want me to get closer? Closer, really close. Beautiful. No. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what I should do on my next video. And sorry I've been whispering. Ooh, too loud. Sorry I've been whispering, but everybody's sleeping, you know. I'm not rude. Bye guys. Love you. You know, miss you. Yeah, bye guys.